You're doing hundreds of crunches, your neck is cramping, your core is on fire. And yet, when you look in the mirror, nothing. Just a flat, soft stomach staring right back at you. Let me give you a harsh reality check. If your abs aren't showing, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your training is an absolute joke. Stop treating your core like it's some magical body part. Abs are muscles. You wouldn't do 1,000 zero-weight bicep curls and expect massive arms, right? So why the hell are you doing that for your core? If you train them like garbage, they'll look like garbage. Today, that stops. To build thick, visible abs at home, you need tension, control, and the right movements. Number 1, the plank. And before you roll your eyes, listen. If your plank lasts more than 60 seconds, you're doing it wrong. Most people just hang there, their lower back collapsing, doing absolutely nothing. Here's how to fix it. Squeeze your glutes hard. Tilt your pelvis. Now try to pull your elbows towards your toes without moving them. Do this right, and you'll start shaking in 20 seconds. And that's the difference between training and actually building muscle. Now let's talk about the part most people struggle with, lower abs. Number 2, lying leg raises. The biggest mistake? People swing their legs like they're kicking a football. When you use momentum, your abs are basically on vacation. Here's the fix. Press your lower back into the floor. Lock it there. If your lower back lifts, the set is over. Lower your legs slowly for 3 to 4 seconds. Stop just before they touch the ground and bring them back up. This is how you actually build that lower ab line. Now this next one is why most people never get that sharp V cut. Number 3, bicycle crunches. Watch most people do this, and it looks chaotic. Fast, sloppy, pulling their neck. Stop doing that. Hands behind your ears, not your neck. Now slow everything down. Don't bring your elbow to your knee. Bring your shoulder to your knee. Pause. Squeeze. 1 second. 3 clean reps like this will do more than 50 sloppy ones. Number 4, mountain climbers. But not the way you've been doing them. This is not cardio. This is control. Keep your hips locked. No bouncing. Slowly drive your knee to your chest. Squeeze your abs. Return. Think of it as a moving plank. Now the final one, and this is where most people fail. Number 5, hollow body hold. This is what gymnasts use to build insane core strength. Lie flat, lift your legs slightly, reach your arms back, press your lower back into the floor, hold it. If you're not shaking, you're not doing it right. If you do these 5 exercises with proper form, your core will get stronger, no question. But here's the part most people ignore. You can build the best abs in the world, but if they're covered in fat, no one will ever see them. Abs are built on the floor, but revealed in the kitchen. You cannot out-train a bad diet. So combine this with proper nutrition, and your body will start changing fast. If you actually want a physique that stands out, not just average, subscribe. I don't post fluff. I post what works.